Hi YouTube, this is the Handbag Housewife back again to give you another review. And this time I'm going to talk about a brand that I am pretty new to. I kind of started with Coach and then I moved on to Louis Vuitton and YSL and some Gucci and Chanel, and I tried the Anagona, and then I went back to Coach, and then I went back to all those fancy brands. And then just recently, I've gotten into Tory Burch and Longchamp. And this bag is the beauty I'm going to talk about today. This bag is called the Longchamp Extra Small Top Handle. And I believe it's also got, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like Doudoune in the description when you look on Saks. This bag's half off at Saks right now, and that's why I wanted to make sure and get this video out there. It is literally the softest, smoothest, butteriest lambskin I have ever felt. It's softer than any of my high-end bags. And this bag by Longchamp, it retails for $650. I'm sorry, $640. And right now at Saks, it's half off. And so that makes it $320. And then on top of that, you can get money back through either Rakuten or Top Cash Back or Be Frugal at Saks, which will come to you a few months later. So this bag is a cute little top handle. It's 6.75 inches across the base, but it holds so much. I would say it's very similar to a Coach Cassie 19. And with the bag comes a leather crossbody strap. And it's kind of short, to be honest with you. I'm 5'8", and it hits me around my waist. Just a little below my waist is where the bag rests. I'll take a measurement and I'll put it in the comments. But what I did is I found these amazing, I'm talking fantastic chains. These are by, well, you get them on Amazon. It's a brand called, well, I'll just spell it. It's XIAZW. And I first found out about it on some of the Coach Facebook groups. And it was some chunky chains, like some real thick chunky chains that I first bought from this brand. But then recently I wanted to get a gunmetal crossbody chain, and it's hard to find a good gunmetal crossbody chain. And this one, I'm telling you, this one matches so perfectly with the Longchamp metal. If you look there, I mean, you could not get a better match. And it's also a good match for Coach gunmetal, but it's not as perfect as it is with the Longchamp gunmetal. So anyway, this little bag holds so much, and I like it with this chain. I also got another chain through Amazon. The first one I showed you, it's $12.99. This second one, it is flatter. You can kind of tell it just doesn't have as much depth to it. And I'm going to close or cover myself up. The second one, which is the one on the left, doesn't have quite as much depth to it as the first, and it is $7.99. It is very comfortable. I used it with this bag, but man, when I got the second chain today, this thicker one, I was so excited about it. I ran to Amazon and bought light gold, antique gold, which is a perfect match for Coach. I got the light gold to go with the Prada re-edition. And then I also bought a second black one because I love this that much. If it gets chipped up, I want to have a backup. So anyway, those are the chains that I got. Let me show you real quickly what will fit in this tiny little bag. It is pretty amazing. So I have my AirPods case. I have not one, but two Louis Vuitton key clays in there, filled with probably 10 credit cards each. And then I have a K Facette card holder by Coach. And then I have my key fob, and I have a little jewelry pouch, and I have a hand lotion and a hair tie, and I have just a little pouch. I keep some hand sanitizer and a little screwdriver and just things that might scratch up what's in my bag. Like there's a nail file, and actually my nail file's in here, and I've got like, I think some tweezers and stuff in there. And then I have just loose in one of the pockets, I've got some cash and an extra check and some papers. And then in the other side, I've got some more papers, but it holds a whole bunch. And if you look inside, it's got a zip pocket in the back, and it's got a flap on the other side that's wide enough to hold bills when they are straight and long. So I just wanted to touch base with one more video today, and I hope you all enjoyed it. If you have any questions about this bag, let me know. But I highly recommend it, and I recommend getting it while it's half off. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like what you see, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.